Hey, welcome everybody to another episode of Bits and Bytes. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to spin up Oracle database free in a Docker or Podman container. In my environment here I'm using Podman, but you can do the exact same steps with Docker as well. So what I'm doing here is I jump in my terminal and I type Podman run, I give my container a name, in this case test, tell Podman that I want to detach from the container startup, so spin it up in the background, port forward port 1521 inside the container to my local machine 1521 so that I can connect from the outside world into the container via port 1521. And then I only need one other environment variable or parameter, which is the Oracle password one, which sets the password for sys and system. I could also say Oracle random password here. There's a bunch of other parameters I can pass on, but for demonstration purposes, I just say here Oracle password, let's test one. And then I hop into a new line with this backslash here so that you can see the full image name, which is gvenzel, Oracle free, and I'm downloading the slim image. I hit enter now, and what's happening here is, as you can see, is that Podman goes ahead and pulls that image onto my local machine. So there's a couple of layers that are being pulled. The one thing I kind of don't like about Podman, I like Podman a lot, but this one here is where Docker would show you actually the download status, how far you have pulled a layer of an image. You get these nice little bars that move ahead and tell you how far the download of the layer is. Podman unfortunately just says you here copy blob, so sort of kind of no way to knowing how long this will take or how far you are other than wait. But what we will see and what we have seen just now is that the image has been downloaded and a new container with this ID has been started. Luckily we gave it the name test, so we can just jump into Podman logs and do a -F for follow, which we can now inspect the containers log. So let's have a look. The container here is called test. We hit enter here. And we see that the database is already being started up here. So with the last phase, and here we go. Oracle database is running, is ready to use. The rest what you see here is the output, as it says here, from the alert log file. So this is just all the things you will see here that will be put in the alert log. So that way you can, if we hop out here with a Control C, we have here, if I demonstrate this real quick, we have here this container running. Apologies for the line break here. But you see, if you want to go into the alert log and check what the container is doing, you can always hop back on with just the Podman logs and then test. And you will see here the output. And you see here I've been exited right away. So again, this is where the Control F comes in so that you stay in there and you basically tail this output. You see here that we haven't exited. You can exit with Control C. There we go. We're out here. So far to that. Now the database is ready to go. It's like running for, as we saw before, about a minute ago. So let's hop right in. So I just connect here with, SQL CL system, and we set this password we said before to let's test one, localhost, and I forward a port 1521, which is the default port, so I don't even have to specify this one, and just say free. And ta-da! We are connected to Oracle Database Free, in this case to the container database or the CDB, and we're ready to go. Thanks a lot for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tips.